In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I start a social media business from home? Well, make sure you stay tuned and listen to the next few minutes of this video carefully, because I am going to tell you some strategies and best practices which can help you start a social media business from home. So, I suggest that you avoid all distractions and pay close attention to the methods that I will be sharing with you today. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you find these videos useful. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So to begin with, we know that people are spending more and more time on their phones, and a lot of that time is spent on social media apps. We also know that social media users regularly interact with companies they are interested in or already do business with. So not only is social media free, but your customers and prospects are already there waiting to hear from you. For small businesses focused on community and individual customers, this makes social media a powerful platform for connecting directly with an audience to build brand awareness and brand loyalty. Even better, social media is also an effective platform for lead generation. You can create the content and resources that will provide added value to your prospects and customers, all while nurturing their brand affinity. When users click on your content or offer, they are actively looking for it or opting in to receive updates by following your business. Because these people have already opted in, they're likelier to convert than a random person seeing an ad or offer unrelated to what they need. Social media is now an important part of an inbound marketing strategy. Creating valuable content and ranking well for it on the SERP is one thing, but sharing that content out to the right people and getting those people that are interested in your brand, product or service back to your site is another. And making sure that you're sharing the right social media content with the right people is also dependent on the platform. Each of the main social platforms popular now have a specific way that are used by consumers. Businesses in turn have begun to use each platform slightly differently to connect with their audiences. I will now give you some methods and best practices to start a social media business. Here we go. If you haven't already, you'll need to take the first step in creating your social strategy for businesses, setting up business accounts or pages on each platform. I suggest to try to make your username or URL your business name, or as close to your business name as possible, so consumers can easily find you online. On platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube, make sure to set yourself any of your colleagues or business partners that would need access as admins. You can set different permissions for each person based on the work that they will be doing in the account. Once you have set up each account, enter the necessary information about your business and add it in your logo as your account photo. You're ready to start sharing. Facebook is one of the OG social media platforms. It has a massive user base with 1 billion daily and over 2 billion monthly active users. If your target customer is on any social media platform, it's likely Facebook. A bonus, Facebook also makes it easy to build target audiences for paid ad placements based on people who engage with your organic posts. Let me now tell you about what to post on Facebook. Facebook is a fairly conversational platform. However, if a consumer decides to like your Facebook page, they are likely looking to receive updates, they want to know about future sales and promotions, hear about new products, or get information about upcoming launches or events. It's important that you're connecting with those who follow you and providing the right type of content for them. Try sharing a few different types of content and seeing what resonates well with your audience by driving the most impressions, engagements and shares. Let me now give you some ideas to help you get more engagement with your Facebook posts. Ask questions. One great way to start conversations with your audience is by simply asking questions. It seems so basic and you shouldn't use this for every post, but it's still a powerful strategy. Think creatively about the types of questions you can ask. You can work to get genuine audience and customer input on business decisions, or you can ask random questions that are relevant to your industry in an attempt to get more engagement on your post. Behind the scenes. Another great Facebook content idea is sharing behind the scenes (BTS) photos of your business. There are many ways to do this. Show how products are made, introduce your employees, or include bloopers of other videos or campaigns. Consider ways that your business can get on a more personal level to share unique content and behind-the-scenes photos or stories with your Facebook audience. Trending topics. One great way to increase reach and engagement is to post about trending topics people are talking about. Not only can this increase your chances of appearing in feeds, but people will be more likely to comment on and share your posts as well. Branded graphics. Another great post idea that honestly is perfect for every single online platform is creating branded graphics with your company's logo, fonts, and colors incorporated. These are perfect because they're so versatile. Share quotes, memes, motivational sayings, relevant tips, and more, all in various branded graphics. And these don't all have to have the same style either. Bring various shades of your brand colours into the graphics to have them all look unique, add shapes and even use icons or illustrations to help visualise what your text says. Tell stories on Facebook. Get personal with your audience. Telling stories is a great way to connect with your Facebook followers on a different level, and your story will depend on how small your business is. Videos. Facebook loves when users post videos, and they even have an entire watch section dedicated to video alone. This is why videos are great Facebook post ideas to improve your strategy. Create and share them often, whether they're basic stop motion videos, informational videos, educational videos, or any other type altogether. Once you've determined the types of content and updates your audience responds to, keep sharing in that way. If at any point you want to develop your digital skills with step-by-step training with leading industry experts to learn and understand social media marketing, I recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. This course contains so much valuable information that you will not find anywhere else. It will give you all the digital skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish, and it can help you start a new career. Trust me, it will change your marketing skills like nothing else. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Let me give you advice on how often to share. Posting on Facebook doesn't have a limit for businesses, but dominating your followers' feed is a social media marketing mistake you'll want to avoid. In a study by Social Bakers, engagement rates per post dropped significantly for businesses posting more than twice per day and for businesses posting only once per week. So, if you post too much, you run the risk of people unliking your account. If you post too little, you risk your engagement metrics. Take into account how much content you have to promote and then post accordingly. About one update each day is an optimal rate for most businesses. Here are some tips to boost engagement. People scrolling through Facebook will see your business posts alongside photos of their newborn niece and cake decorating videos. So don't take your social posts too seriously. Stay casual, but be sure to continue to provide value. Let me tell you about LinkedIn marketing for small business. LinkedIn is the oldest of the social media platforms. LinkedIn has over 250 million monthly active users, and it's the most used social media channel for business-to-business, B2B marketers to share content at 94%. Let me tell you what to post on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a place for people to connect with other business professionals and network online. If a LinkedIn user is following your company on LinkedIn, they likely care about the information and insights you can bring them and business-related updates. LinkedIn is also a great platform for video. If you have the ability to create a product or insight-focused video, you can see your engagement rates climb. Let me now tell you how often to share content on LinkedIn. Try to post on LinkedIn each week. Companies that post weekly on LinkedIn see a 2 times lift in engagement on their posts. LinkedIn is also a great platform for your employees to become your brand advocates. Make sure to utilize them and their network in the proliferation of your content. This is a great way to get your content on the platform more often without oversharing. Let me give you some tips to boost engagement. LinkedIn is a professional environment for people to connect with each other, and your content should reflect that. Stay helpful in the content that you share. Your posts should be a resource for consumers to find ways to better themselves in your area of expertise or hear about product updates. You want to share the best aspects of your business, wins people can learn from, and insights they can't get anywhere else. Let me now tell you about Twitter marketing for small business. Certainly the most conversational out of all the social media platforms, Twitter is a massive network of individuals and brands interacting with each other in a very fast-paced environment. There are over 500 million tweets sent daily and over 320 million monthly active users on the platform. It is one of the most relied upon social channels for news and has a wide international user base. Let me now tell you what to post on Twitter. In November of 2017, Twitter officially expanded the number of characters allowed in a tweet from 140 to 280, giving people more freedom in what they post per tweet, but still limiting the length per post. Most business profiles tweet a wide array of content, including product promotions, online contests, sales, funny thoughts related to their industry, data insights, and new releases. Let me now tell you how often to share. With 5,787 tweets sent every second, it's easy to get lost in the clutter. Posting multiple times per day will allow you the most opportunity for your tweets to be seen by your followers and give them more chances to engage with you. Here are some tips to boost engagement. Again, make sure to continue to provide value to your followers and their audience. But you can also be a little more playful on Twitter than you would be on more business-focused platforms like LinkedIn. Keep it light and keep it bright. Tracking your progress will be one of the most important aspects of executing your social media strategy. Based on your account performance, you'll be able to make informed decisions about the direction of your campaigns. Exactly how you measure this progress will depend on your goals and in some cases your industry, but you'll want to determine which social media metrics you keep track of before you get started posting. Now, I have a question for you. Which strategy from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So, all the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you start a social media business from home. If you want to advance your digital skills with social media marketing, make sure you click the link under the video now and check out the Social Media Marketing Consultant online course. It will give you all the digital skills, training and knowledge you need to create a profitable business from start to finish. It breaks down social media marketing to a simple step-by-step process which anyone can learn over a weekend. And it can help you or be used to start a new career. It can help you start a new business venture. And if you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description under this video and take a look at it. I hope that you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment under the video and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.